Hello, 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 my lovely friends. It's Christine Trainer here talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. How are you doing today on this 15th day of July, the 15th day of the 7th month of the new decade? Whoa. I tell ya, July is fast. It goes by so fast. I don't know what it is. But that's not a bad thing. I want to share one thing today. And as I continue on to enjoy my day, taking control of my day and enjoying myself and having a good, prosperous day, I want to share one thing. Okay, one thing I want to ask you. Are you taking control of your life, or is your life taking control of you? Exactly, right? When you take control of your life, you stop asking for permission. You stop seeking validation and expecting everyone to, sorry guys, you know me, approve or veto each of your decisions, right? And because I know when problems arise and we insist we can't figure them out, we falter when a decision is needed to be made and we hand over the decision to somebody else, right? Or there are things we don't understand and we are complaining and we're making excuses, because complaining is easier than silencing the mental voices in our head instead of trying to figure the answer out. We would have all the info and solutions at our fingertips, right? But we would rather just make excuses and hand them over to somebody else, right? That happens quite often, right? So what I'm sharing this today is this. If you keep making excuses, hoping somebody will step in and help, right? Making the right decision reminds me of this quote by Carlos Castaneda. We either make ourselves miserable or we make ourselves strong. The amount of work is just the same. Either if you're miserable and you don't want to do it, or you work harder and stronger and do well. And that to me is, so take control of your life means finding the answers without somebody always pushing you to do it, right? You chase the information you need, you will have a thicker skin. Give yourself some love and be proud of who you are. You are good enough, you are strong enough, you are clever enough. You will realize when you make a life choice, tell somebody about it, step in, take control, write down your life goals, do daily actions each day, and take control. It will feel so good and satisfying when you figure things out and take control and action in your life. As Steve Maraboli says, incredible changes happen in your life when you decide to take control of what you do. You have the power over, instead of controlling what you don't, right? You think, I can't do this, can't do that. Exactly. For me, I realized in my lifetime, I would say, basically all the 60 years of my life, I would say I always let life control me. I went through the stages, I went through each day, but as really taking a decent control of my life and who I was, it was hard. I was a mom. I had several jobs in my lifetime. I amassed a variety of different strategies and skills. But taking real control of my life, I think I didn't do until a couple of years ago when I started social media marketing. And that's when I decided to step in and take control and decide to learn new skills and strategy online. Now, it was going pretty good for a while, but I found myself stagnant up until about a month ago. I found myself not taking the control I want. I found myself lost a little bit, not finding what my true niche is or what I really wanted to do. I got into the process of taking control of doing my daily thoughts because that was part of it. But to actually really take control, to understand how Facebook works, how strategies I needed to do, how to understand traction marketing, how to really get good engagement on my page, I was lost, and I felt I was out of control and not dealing with my life properly because I had put on some weight as well. I was kind of in a bit of a spiral. And even though I was going the motions, I was doing my stuff, I think through gratitude and affirmation, a true strong manifestation, I realized 5 weeks ago that I found a unique and wonderful opportunity to help me bridge the gap, to learn to earn consistently weekly, to learn about strategies about attraction marketing, about engagement on my page, learning to be more professional at what I'm doing, enjoying my professional, beautiful life as the businesses I'm doing, and earning online through Facebook. And I must say, this new platform I'm on, guys, does it. It's on fire. It's amazing. It's teaching me so much with an amazing leader, phenomenal success coaches, weekly trainings, what I am doing, how I am achieving my success, and really doing well, consistently earning weekly. And even our new members who are newbies are consistently earning too, because we're doing daily tasks. And through these tasks, we're earning as well to build our businesses online. It's an amazing platform. I'm really proud of what I'm doing. And 5 weeks now, I have now taken more control of my life and really getting my niche in order and really expanding myself on Facebook. The Truth's Bloody, wonderful, wonderful, amazing platform. And it's an amazing platform, and I wanted to share that with you today because I'm taking control of my life. I'm doing what exactly I want to do. I'm taking, we are all the masters of our own destiny, right? And once we start taking control of our life, it can be the most powerful, embracing, and wonderful thing. I do believe incredible things happen when you take control. After all, you are the captain of your ship, right? You are the captain of your ship. And when you start taking control of it, wonderful things can happen. I believe in that's true. Now, I have written some wonderful quotes as well. I'm just surprised. I'm just barreling with these quotes today. I'm just amazed. But this one, it says, just take control of your habits. Take control of your life. Or when you decide your life is your own, that's the day you take control of your life. Or you are in control of what you do and what you have done. Make the decision to change your destiny. Or incredible things happen when you take control of your life. This is your life. Take control of it. Yeah. So this is my share today on my daily thoughts. Take Action Wednesday. Take control of your life. Don't let life control you. Have an awesome, beautiful, amazing day, my lovely friends. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.